If you just got a beta update to Google's keyboard on Android, there could be an interesting but short-lived surprise hiding inside. Google is testing a floating keyboard in its app, which could be fantastic for larger phones and tablets. However, it'll probably disappear after a few seconds if you try to use it right now. Floating mode is hiding in the overflow menu, which is accessible via the toolbar after pressing the G icon at the top of keyboard. Tap that, and you can grab the keyboard by a small handle and move it to any place on the screen you want. In addition, you can drag the corners of the keyboard to make it larger or smaller. A floating keyboard is really an evolution of the one-handed keyboard. This mode lets you more easily reach all the keys when holding the phone in one hand, and Google added this feature several years ago. A floating keyboard can be positioned any place that's comfortable, which is helpful when you're using a giant phone like the Galaxy Note 9. If you want to exit floating mode, you can grab the handle and drag the keyboard down to the bottom of the display to dock it. Unfortunately, this feature is not ready for public consumption. Even if you activate the floating feature, it will vanish without explanation a minute later. There's not yet an official changelog for the update, so you could be forgiven for a bit of confusion. The feature is coming, though. It's most likely a server-side switch that Google could throw at any minute. It works fine for as long as it lasts, so keep an eye open for this change to become official soon. The new version is still slowly rolling out in the Play Store official beta channel, but you can install it immediately via APK Mirror.